I'm Michael Green. I'm Managing Director of MacroArt. We are a UK-based wide format print business. I took over as Managing Director at the end of 2018, and I came into a business that was effectively put into treacle by the previous ERP that we were using. We had very, very good high quality print machines, but the background architecture meant that the business was incredibly slow at processing work and very people heavy. It was a business that had the print technology, but the rest of it really needed to be addressed. And we were lucky enough, I think, to find Lift. And the fact that I saw it was linked to Durst made me look at it more seriously. With Lift, the ability for the client to interact with the system was huge. But what we have had feedback from client-wise is those that have interacted with the system have found it really, really easy and intuitive to use. They like the automated proofing. I think it's a huge, huge benefit to the business, and I think it's a big, big tick for the system. What it's done is it's freed the business up. We were slow at doing a lot of things, and it's quite liberating for the business to put the system in. The great thing that we find about working with Lift is that they're collaborative, that they're always trying to push the envelope and do new things, which suits us as a business because we have a real continuous improvement mindset, and it's great to work with a provider that has the same ethos. The other really good thing about Lift is it works very well with other software systems. So we've done a lot of work around automating our pre-press. We have found really, really good collaboration with Switch and Phoenix. So that has enabled us to automate a lot of the processes that we were doing in our pre-press department. Lift dovetails very, very nicely with the software that we're using.
Lift offers so many advantages, both in-house and for customers as well. The online tracking is brilliant. We never had that before in our previous system. We were a very paper-based company, and we had physical job bags going around the departments. So if you needed to update a job bag, you had to amend it, print off the paperwork, try and find the job bag somewhere in production and change the paperwork. But with Lift, it's instantly updated. As soon as you change something, all production facilities see it. And also for customers, they can see the live tracking of orders. We get so many phone calls with customers saying, where's my order, when's it going to be shipped? And with this, it does it all for them. They can just log in straight away, see exactly where it is, where it's being shipped, and check their online proofs as well. It offers such a wide variety for our customers, it's brilliant. We've got some customers that even place orders with it, which is just so quick and easy with our preset products that we have that are customer specific. They can just go in with a few clicks of the button, they can see exactly what orders they want and approve proofs as well instantly. No matter where we are, they know they can log in, approve their proof straight away, and it's in production before you know it. It provides such great peace of mind for our customers.
The previous system we used was very manual. There was nothing in the baseline of the system at all, so it was predominantly based on us having to input all of our tolerances and effectively more room for error. Using Lift was just a breath of fresh air really. It just made it a lot easier, and all the tolerances and everything in the background already plugged in. It meant that there was less to learn. Really easy to navigate, really simple, user friendly, because you really can't get it too wrong as long as you pick the right product. It's done all the hard work for you in the background.
One of the other benefits with Lift is that the business used to have dry whiteboards in the production area where we used to write all the jobs. That was prone to all kinds of problems, including one historic event when it was wiped off by somebody who wanted to write a new job, and we were in the middle of a huge sports rollout. Now with Lift, everything is on tablets, much more efficient, much less manual. Essentially, Lift is a tool that enables us to do our jobs properly and do our jobs quickly and do our jobs efficiently. With a lot of other ERPs, you have to bend your business to fit the ERP. The great thing about Lift is it flexes with our business. So it really is something that we can tailor specifically to suit what we do. The whole business stands for quality, in my view. I was really impressed with the setup, really impressed with the team. I like the feel of the business. I like the collaborative approach that they take. I'm a very happy customer with Durst.